Hello everybody, welcome to my Cambridge English Advanced course. In this video lesson I'm going to tell you how to benefit in the best way from this course. So, in order to fully benefit from this course, you should make sure that you are in a quiet and comfortable learning environment. You should also write some of the important notes that you pick up along the way with these videos. So make sure you have a pen and a piece of paper and you can write down any really important advice and tips. You should use a computer to complete the practice exercises from this course more easily. You should use the strategy you learned during this course to complete a course book, and I will give recommendations on the next page. For example, when you finish the lesson about part 5 in this course, you should take all the tips and techniques and use them to complete the part 5 exercises in a course book. Make sure you follow the tips and technique in the right order, which you will see in this course, and use them in the same order to complete a course book. And when you are studying by yourself, you should practice using a pencil and writing in capital letters, that's big letters, and you should also time yourself when you're doing the exercises by yourself, and that puts you in the mentality to know how long you should be spending in the exam. So the practice examples in the following lessons come from this web address here. This is an old sample Cambridge Advanced English exam paper, and so that's why it's really useful, and that's why this course is particularly good, because we follow the old exam paper very closely, and it's a really good way to prepare for yourself and for the future exams. I also say that this PDF document here has lots of really useful information, and I suggest that you check out this document as well. This is the Cambridge English Advanced Handbook for Teachers, and yeah, you should read this because there's loads of useful information in this document. This course book here is a really useful course book that I use with a lot of my students. It has the necessary grammar and vocabulary that you need to pass the exam, and it also has loads of exam exercises. The only negative is that the listening CDs are quite expensive with this book. However, there is a cheaper version of the book. It's a workbook. It doesn't have the grammar explanations, but it does have a listening CD. So yeah, if you want to prepare yourself in the best way, I suggest buying both of these two books. Or if you just want to buy the workbook without the grammar explanations, but with the listening CD, type this link into your web browser and you will find this book here. Okay, so that's the end of this video lesson, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video lesson, where I will show you the detail of the following video lessons and the format that we're going to follow.